In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Facebook Marketplace by setting up payment methods. Let's dive in and explore how you can make your buying experience seamless and hassle-free. To get started, you'll first need to ensure you have the Facebook app installed on your smartphone, or if you prefer, you can do this through a web browser on your computer. Once you're all set, log into your Facebook account. It's best to use your own account to avoid any security issues. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Facebook Marketplace by selecting the Marketplace icon, which you can find on the home screen of the app or website. It's usually represented by a small storefront icon, which makes it easy to locate. Now that you're on the Marketplace, click on your profile picture, which will lead you to your Marketplace profile. From there, you'll find a settings icon, typically represented by a small gear. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a page where you can see various options related to your marketplace activities. Here, look for a section called Payment Methods. This is where you can add or edit the payment information you'll use to make transactions. It's also important to understand the types of payment methods Facebook accepts. Generally, you can link your credit or debit card, or use payment platforms like PayPal. Choose the option that suits you best and add your details as prompted. If you're entering a credit or debit card, make sure you correctly enter the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code. You might also need to include your billing address, as it must match the address linked to your payment card. Accuracy here is essential to avoid any payment issues later on. For those opting to use PayPal, the process is slightly different, but just as straightforward. Select PayPal from the payment method options, and you'll be directed to log into your PayPal account and give Facebook permission to link with it. Rest assured, this process is secure, as both companies prioritize user security. Once you've successfully added a payment method, Facebook may ask you to verify it. This step might involve reviewing a small test charge sent to your payment method, which will be refunded immediately. It's a standard security measure to ensure everything is set up correctly. Now that your payment method is added and verified, you're all set to make purchases on Facebook Marketplace. As you browse and find something you're interested in, you'll notice that some sellers may offer shipping options with direct checkout. This feature allows you to complete the purchase right there, using the payment method you've just set up, making transactions simple and efficient. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up payment methods for Facebook Marketplace. With these steps completed, you're ready to buy with confidence, knowing that your payment details are secure and your transactions smooth. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!